Congratulations on the purchase of your Henson razor. I'm Jonathan from Henson Shaving, here to show you what to expect inside the box, how to assemble that safety razor, and also give you a little shave demonstration to give you some tips and techniques of how to get the best shave possible. You're going to receive your Henson razor in a box like this. Pull open the tab, and you'll find an instruction card in here with some instructions on how to assemble the razor, and then some care instructions on the back as well. And then inside the box, you're gonna have your Henson razor, this one here in rocket red. Pull that out, and there you are, your new Henson razor. This is a 3-piece razor. You can grab it by the head here, and here at the handle, and you're gonna feel this nice, smooth spin. You feel there's basically no wobble in that handle. It's already showing you the precision that this razor is built with. Spin that off, set the handle aside, and then the top and the base plate come separate like this. You can see that this top plate has 3 pins, alignment pins, and then the center thread hole. The base plate has these alignment slots and the center hole. You see here the tungsten bushing. This tungsten bushing is for when you assemble your razor. It's going to give a smooth finish all the way twisted to the end. We'll show you that once we get the blade inside there. Back to your box, if you open this flap, you're going to find your 100 pack of blades there if you went with that option. There's 25 packs inside here for 100 blades. If you went with the 5-pack option, you're going to find 1 5-pack in there. Simply pop open this box and you'll pull out a blade covered in wax paper. Simply pop it open, kind of like an envelope. And just watch out, the edges of these blades are sharp. These smaller ends are not, so you can grab it by that. What you would get is probably a paper cut. If you slid your finger across that, you can touch that blade, just be careful with it. It is sharp. You can then take your top cap, this one here again with the alignment pins and the post. And you're gonna see this center circle goes on the center post, and then just push it down into those alignment pins. You can already see there how tightly that fits and aligns the blade perfectly. So you grab it by the side, again, not necessarily the sharp edges, grab it by the side, assemble this base plate, nice and snug, and then again, grab the handle, and you're gonna get a nice spin. Right there, the handle's gonna start engaging with that tungsten bushing. Spin another about full turn, and you're gonna feel it stop there. Now you have your razor all set up, ready to shave. You can see there how little blade shows and perfectly aligned on both sides. I personally use a shaving cream. I shaved my lip and below my neck. My neck used to get all sorts of rashes from other razors. You're gonna see here that my neck does not get rashes with this razor, which we're super excited about. So I'm gonna do lather up. Some can use foams and creams, basically anything works, and some will simply use it in the shower, just wet, no shaving cream at all. This does have the precision that for many people that will be an option, that you won't have to use lotions and creams, but that choice is gonna be completely up to you. All right, so I got my shaving lotion on, ready to go. I'm gonna take the razor and see that it has a 30-degree flat plane there. I'm gonna take it at that angle, and that's how I'm going to run it along my neck and along my lip line. So I'm gonna go here and pull down. I'm not putting any pressure in, simply resting it on my skin and pulling down. Once you get used to that angle, you can speed it up a little bit. Simply do a little rinse, get the hairs out, and I move to top. Spin around, you use the other side of the blade. sign the head flat so you can get real close up to the nose. Easy as that. Simply rinse it out. I like to dry it off with a towel. Again, watch out, there is a blade in there, so just be a little cautious of that. And you're all set. Simple as that. I hope you really enjoy your razor, and if you have any questions at all, reach out to us anytime. We're happy to help. Enjoy your shave.